Yo!
My Subaru's gone.
Yeah, he changed out his Subaru. He traded in his Subaru for his, what's this? 2020. Suburbs.
Look at this guy.
Dude, what?
Excuse me, sir. You need a car. It's a drive-through. Hey, what are you doing? Why are you scared? Keep looking over your shoulder. Hey.
Hey, how much you pay?
$10.
So I said light ice. What'd they do, Jim?
They gave you one less ice cube. They put extra ice.
I see more ice in this. There's like 5 sips and it's gone, dude.
Did you want some coffee with your ice? Subaru.
1 sip. I'm almost done. And out of the ashes, there it is. So I'm here at Alternative Auto Body. So you guys been asking where I get my Evo painted. This is the shop that you point over there. This is the shop where I got it painted. So a lot of you been asking about my paint code. I don't know what my paint code is. My painter might tell you later. Now I'm vlogging you, June.
But I'm vlogging you.
What is that?
Tripod's kind of weird.
Dude, that like throws me off.
Are you excited to see me? Are you excited to see me?
There's our man. The man of the hour. Oh, you know.
You beat me. How's it going, man?
Good, man. How are you?
Chilling.
We're just vlogging, man. You know, for the channel, man.
For the channel, of course. Came in Saturday for my guy.
Look at this. Nobody here.
Yeah, nobody here.
Nobody here, but he came, took his time.
Unlock the shop and walk through, and you can check it out.
Oh yeah, for sure.
You guys can come through this way.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit, we got the VIP background.
Special backdoor entrance.
Yeah, a little backdoor action for you.
He tried to convert me.
Going in here, June. Ooh.
What happened to it?
I just parted it out.
Oh,
I'm
right?
putting it all back to stock, and I didn't really want to sell it, so I'm passing it down to my little brother for his first car.
He's gonna like this car.
Yeah, I think so. He's just nervous about driving the stick because he's just learning how to drive, but I'm trying to tell him it'll be worth it.
Oh, is that my color code?
Yeah.
Okay.
Finally figured it out.
So y'all been, a lot of people's been asking about my color
Right,
code.
exactly.
050 Toyota Super White.
Yes, sir.
Super, you gotta put that super.
So, yeah, no, over here.
You sorry it took us long. You don't know about Filipino time? What Filipino time, June?
I don't know. I'm always on it though.
Oh man, this is.
What you've all been waiting for.
Ooh, what is that? What is
The most
that?
important part.
Woo! There she is, boys.
The most important part on the other side.
Oh, the other side. That's what we were. You guys don't know from I took the bumper to get my holes filled right here, which is where the license plates sit. Man, she looks clean, dude.
Yeah, it is. It came out really good. The second time we had to do it over once because you could still see where the holes were. It's kind of tough sometimes when you fill the holes. Sometimes after it's painted, basically it sucks up so you can kind of see where the hole was. So we had to redo that. Kind of a little issue, but yeah, I can't tell now.
Wow, bro.
Yeah, I was like, I can't see any holes.
And of course your magnets are still on the back side, so you can slap the license plate on there. You don't want to get harassed by the cops here.
Yep, the magnets are still there, bro.
Quick release tabs, so they're actually the
Oh,
colors
no
right
way,
now.
dude.
Little detail looks a lot better though.
If you guys didn't know, this was kind of off-white, but he painted it and matched it with the bumper.
Dang, Jen, you even got the JDM duct tape?
This thing,
Oh, there she is.
it looks a lot better for sure.
Dang, you're looking glass, bro. Cinematic.
Get out of here. Then of course the underside and everything.
So someone messaged me and they were like, this lady, she owns an Evo 2, and she's like, I've been looking around. I don't know if she messaged you.
Oh, I saw her comment on there. She didn't send me a message.
Yeah, she was like, I've been going to every shop and they said they couldn't do it. They had to spray it black. It's like they can't do it where it shows clear. I was like, huh.
That seems weird.
So I was like,
I mean, I think as long I mean, if the carbon's in this condition, I'm not sure if we could do it or not, honestly.
Yeah.
Yours was just kind of nice because since there was still the clear coat on there, we were able to just sand the clear coat down and scuff it without having to, you know, worry about getting into the fibers and everything.
yeah, dude. Yeah, it looks really good. Like you could see the carbon fiber in there. Carbon
a lot better than whatever clear coat was on it before,
yeah, I don't know what,
sure.
it was kind of like wavy before. Like,
yeah, kind of the thing
bad.
about carbon and fiberglass parts. I mean, if you really look at it, it has a slight waviness to it. There's really nothing you can do with that, but just the quality of clear coat being on there makes it look a lot better as a whole.
Oh, I'm happy, dude.
For sure.
I might have to bring my car to get clear coated because I have the full carbon hood.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, just as long as the clear coat's not, I mean, if it's like this, maybe, I don't know, we haven't messed with, you know, this condition of carbon too much.
Yeah.
But yeah, we could definitely see what we could do with it.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm a happy customer. That's why I'm gonna pay him gangster style with the gangster wad of cash.
Big one, just gonna put a rubber band on there.
So this is Mason. His Instagram, I'll leave it up here. MSNJW. And he is are you the owner?
My dad's the owner. I basically manage the shop for him, do all the estimating and office work, and basically make sure everything gets done properly around here.
That's awesome, man.
But yeah.
So how long have you been in business in Bremerton?
So it started, I think it's like over 30 years ago. So he branched out, made his own shop. It was over in Gorse, actually, in a little building kind of off the highway over there.
Okay.
Did that for a while, and then he ended up just getting this shop over here, and that's when it kind of, you know, turned into what it is now.
So if you guys don't know, this is where I took my Evo when it was hard times back then, so I had to do it by parts. I couldn't buy a car.
Back when Gen Evo 9 was just starting out in the game.
So pretty much this is the guy that made Gen Evo 9, man, because he got my car painted that Toyota super white.
It was your vision, but we just made it happen for you.
Yeah, man, he took great care of me, man. They're doing professionally. They've been doing this for 30 years. 30 years.
Yep, all the details that matter to make it look as nice in person as it does in photos.
Yeah.
If you haven't seen his car in person, you know, it looks just as good as it does in the photos, which is rare sometimes.
Yeah,
you know?
You can see by his work. So how's business so far, man?
Oh man, super busy. It stays pretty busy. We're booked out about a month.
You do some of the painting and the prep yourself? Do you help around with your... I've seen your dad paint.
Yeah, so my dad has been doing it, all the stuff for, you know, since he started, and then he had just, you know, been running the shop.
You know that this shop is very reputable, even though we could have this COVID and you know how business are down, their business is still popping. So
yeah, it's we can't even get some of our customers in as soon as they want to, you know, and we're at the schedule about a month out right now, which is pretty booked and busy, I'd say.
So you know they're reputable. I mean, you know, I wouldn't suggest anything this channel if I don't trust it myself. So
we appreciate that a lot, for sure.
So you guys make sure you guys hit up if you're in B-Town, Bremerton. The address?
3940 Wheaton Way, and just say Gen Evo 9 sent you.
Yeah. He hook you up, bro. Appreciate everything you do, man.
Most definitely.
Okay, so again, this is Mason, MSNJW. I'll leave this link here and also leave the description below of where you can find this shop, Alternative Auto Body. It's the best one in town, bro.
Appreciate you, Dennis.
Sure, alright.
Yeah, basically.
Dude, how much camber are you running on this?
It's like about -8 all the way around.
So guys, don't be deceived. This thing's gonna be looking pretty when it's done.
But yeah, we did basically the same thing that we did on your bumper to the holes on the trunk right there. Because it had a stock spoiler on it that I didn't like. And then fenders had some bacon going on, so I flared them out with the roller and did some body work on that. So what year is this, Mason? 2004. 2004, what model? Lexus IS300, just base, nothing special. Dude, so this is his project on the side. Thanks, man. So this guy's been so busy that, you know, he can't even work on my own stuff. he puts his passion before, you know. It took a long time to find a 5-speed one, so that's why I'm putting in some work into this one. I think 10% of them are manual or something like that.
Yeah, I could never find a freaking 5-speed.
Yeah.
I could just never find one a decent price, you know.
Then he got some work wheels.
So dirty. I think I'm gonna paint the whole car just because it would take way too long.
He's saving all the paint for the customers.
Yeah, saving all the paint. Just a bunch of.
It's a shop.
Yeah, and that's my grandpa's Corvette that he painted way back when my dad painted that for him way back in the day.
Dude, he got a bunch of skateboards.
Yeah, we still got a couple leftovers.
Dude, this guy is legit, bro. I've been going to him for everything, for my paint work and body work.
Gotta make sure my people are taken care of.
For sure, man. Alternative auto body. Yes, sir. That's legit. This is when evolving alternative auto body united.
The little collab.
Collab. Woo! There we got it, boys. We got the bumps and the wang. I don't know if you can see this.
So go. Trying to drive, get your boom mic out of my face.
June, how'd you like this whole experience? Alright, bro. Thank you so much, man. Just June. Oh,
See
no.
me on the streets.
Alright, drive safe, bro.
Okay,